Hi friends, hope you're having an amazing day. Today I will be sharing with you my story on how I passed my TCF exam with above B2 level. So, 2 years ago, before starting my exam, I made it a goal to consume at least one form of French media every day. Books, movies, podcasts, music, you name it. At the same time, I was also speaking with French native speakers at least thrice a week. And after about a year, I thought I was finally ready to do my test because I felt like I understood much more than I did before. So I applied for the test. On the D-Day, however, just after doing the first part of the exam, I was somewhat disappointed because I had missed a few questions, the listening portion. Part of it was my fault because I let my mind wander during the exam. The other reason was my nerves. I was so nervous my legs probably kept shaking all throughout the test. So while on break, while waiting for the next exam, I spoke about my concerns to another candidate, and she shared a few tips which I will be sharing with you today. She recommended getting familiar with the test format through doing as many mock tests as possible, and suggested a website that I could use. She also added that many of the questions from previous years were always brought back in the same exact order without any modifications. So chances were that if you did as many mock tests as possible, you would see at least 90% of these questions in your final test. Anyways, because I had missed a few questions in the listening section, my grades were affected. So either way, I had to repeat the test. Immediately after returning home, I booked another test for 2 months later and subscribed to the website the girl recommended. I paid the subscription, about $30, and every day I did as much practice tests as I could. I focused mainly on reading and listening because these were the sections I did not score as highly in my first attempt. I continued speaking with natives, going through grammar and writing exercises with tutors, and consuming French media daily. There were some challenges, however, when it came to practicing the tests, especially when it came to speaking. Getting someone with knowledge of speaking tests to practice with was complicated. So I simply recorded myself answering the speaking test questions, playing it back to myself, making a few adjustments, and then doing it all over again. 2 months later, on the day of my second attempt, I realized, hey, that girl was right. 90% of the exams came back, word for word, direct copy and paste of the questions from the mock test, which meant one thing. Anyone at any level can get full score in listening and reading tests. All you had to do was memorize the questions. By doing so, many of them that it stuck. So, 2 weeks later, when the results came out, I was able to score C1 and C2 for my listening and reading sections. I had finally obtained the score that I wanted. I really hope this message inspires you. It was a pleasure sharing this story, and I hope these tips will help you in your coming test. And remember, do not be discouraged if you do not get the results you expect. As long as you're still breathing, there is still time to try again. I will also leave the link to the website that I used for the TCF Canada mock exams in the description below. And friends, if you have any other tips that you would like to share, please feel free to leave them in the section below so that we can all help each other in achieving this goal, passing the TCF exam with above B2 level. Otherwise, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.